Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Audi S3 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons down here. We're going to be using the scroller, and the scroller also acts as an enter, so you can press on it. And we're going to be using this button right here on the left bottom corner, and the menu, and the back button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. And if you have the push start, go ahead and press it once without your foot on the brake. Now, it's kind of blurry. Let me see. It's not me. Okay, so you're going to be using the menu. Go ahead and press on menu. And you're going to go ahead and scroll to car. Go ahead and enter on car. Now, as you can see, the car system right here, the car system, you're gonna use that. So you're gonna press this button right here to enter on car system. Okay, now once you get here, go ahead and scroll down to service and control. Go ahead and enter on that. Okay, go ahead and scroll down to service interval. Enter on that. Now go ahead and scroll down to reset oil change interval. Go ahead and enter on that. Go ahead and scroll up to yes. Enter on yes. And that's how we do it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.